speed and information processing are challenging even the best enterprise computing networks. Tektronix establishes new performance dimensions for this environment with our 400 series net stations. They're designed to deliver high-speed graphical access to integrated multimedia and network information applications. The 400 series has built-in broadcast quality video and audio capabilities and accelerated displays for full-motion video at 30 frames per second. Give your corporate enterprise network the power to go to the next level of computing with Tektronix 400 series net stations.
As a team leader, my mission is to keep our design on schedule. Equipment availability is always an issue. But with LA Browser and LA Offline from Tektronix, all my developers can access the logic analyzer and our target prototype over our existing network. They can debug embedded code at the source code level on their own workstation. That saves development time, which can shorten our design cycle. LA Browser and LA Offline from Tektronix helped us quickly debug our embedded software and improve design team productivity.
The finest color laser on the market, and the first to print with photographic quality, is the Phaser 540 from Tektronix. Once you see a print sample from this mid-priced workgroup color printer, you can imagine how polished your business reports and transparencies will be, especially at 600 dpi, and how easily they'll print at 4 pages per minute in full color. The Phaser 540 supports PCs and mainframes, workstations, and Macs simultaneously. Networks too. And it's from Tektronix, where quality in workgroup color printers is a work of art, and technical innovation is second to none.
Faster than analog. The power of digital. Tektronix TDS 700A oscilloscopes capture glitches faster than the fastest analog scope. At the touch of a button, the TDS 700A captures glitches in 1 second that other digitizing scopes take hours to find. Now, the ultimate scope is no longer a dream. Ask our representative about the TDS 700A, the world's fastest scope.
Overpowered and underpriced.
Tektronix redefines oscilloscope value and performance with the new breakthrough TDS 300 series.
Sample rates up to 2 gigasamples per second.
Bandwidth up to 400 megahertz.
From $24.95 to $45.95. Performance you'd expect in scopes costing twice as much. The TDS 300 series.
If you need quick access to information across your enterprise network, Tektronix 200 series net stations are the answer. They're ideal replacements for aging PCs or terminals. 200 series net stations are desktop computing devices for customer service representatives, bank tellers, and claims processors, to name just a few. Tektronix 200 series net stations, the ideal price-performance answer for desktop computing.
When I'm working on a ladder above the ceiling, I don't have room for a benchtop scope, but I still need a powerful scope tool. That's why I count on the TechScope from Tektronix. It's the first true handheld scope with real benchtop scope power, 100 megahertz bandwidth, 500 megasamples per second sample rate on both channels. And it fits in the palm of my hand. Just ask for it by name, TechScope.
If you're in the cable TV industry, you know that keeping your customers happy is your #1 priority. And to do that, you need to provide high signal quality and reliable service. Tektronix Test Equipment helps you maximize signal quality from the head end to the customer's home. Look to Tektronix for all your cable testing needs.
Who has the widest range of digital oscilloscopes? Tektronix, the world leader. We offer 16 models with bandwidths from 50 MHz to 8 GHz, signal acquisition capabilities to 5 gigasamples per second, a common graphical interface that's easy to use. When you think digital, think of the greatest bandwidth in digital scopes from Tektronix.
It's a phone conversation between neighbors.
It's a video image from halfway around the world.
It's a money transaction halfway across town.
Our world of communications is changing at a staggering pace.
And new technologies are driving communications toward convergence, where voice, data, and video are communicated over the same network.
Tektronix is leading this drive toward convergence, with solutions for ensuring the integrity of telecommunication signals, equipment, and networks. Whatever your business, there's a phaser color printer that fits your work and your workload to a T. Only Tektronix offers all 5 color printing technologies. No matter which ones you choose, the print quality, brilliant color, economy, and speed are sure to win you over, just as they've won every industry award. Each supports PCs, workstations, mainframes, and Macs. Each is network manageable, and each phaser color printer comes with legendary support from Tektronix.
Now playing worldwide in NTSC and PAL, it's the Profile Professional Disc Recorder from Tektronix. With its optimized variable compression, Profile's video quality exceeds first-generation Betacam SP. Its audio is CD quality. And its multi-channel I/O makes it ideal for time delay, store and forward, and commercial insertion. Profile, the open system for disc recording from the video leader, Tektronix.
In today's highly competitive world, information processing is the lifeblood of business. Tektronix net stations provide cost-effective alternatives to network PCs and mission-critical applications, increased productivity, faster upgrade capability, reduced support and administration time, and access to personal productivity applications through Windy software. Make Tektronix net stations the desktop computing choice.
44 years ago, television was in its infancy.
And Tektronix test instruments were there to help create and build an industry. Today, our video test instruments continue to deliver the solutions needed for the worldwide explosion of video technologies.
We support all major television standards, digital and analog formats, even the latest MPEG-2 compressed video and audio. When you see video, you see Tektronix video measurement instruments at work.
Bold, exciting nonlinear editing tools from Tektronix Lightworks editing systems are setting the editing world on fire. They have a reputation for putting the editor first, with an emphasis on the unique, intuitive interface and dedicated Lightworks console. Tektronix Lightworks Systems, the premier choice of film and video editors around the world.
We have seen the future of video, and it is digital. Digital production switchers, digital signal distribution, and dynamic editing systems. Only the industry leader, Tektronix, gives you the total digital picture with our Grass Valley products, while still protecting your analog investment. Tektronix, your television partner today and tomorrow.
Tektronix Windy software is taking desktop computing by storm. Windy software provides access to off-the-shelf Microsoft Windows applications for Unix platforms. Our newest Windy version provides cut, copy, and paste capability for text and graphics between Microsoft Windows and Unix applications.
Some people long for the old days of twisted pair and coax cables. Testing them was easy. Today you've got fiber strands, hybrid systems, and a lot more people using them. If a cable goes down, we've got to find the problem now. That's why I stick with Tektronix cable testing tools. They've got testers for every kind of cable out there. Handheld light sources, meters, OTDR, and even analysis software. You name the cable testing job and they've got the tool. Tektronix. That's a name that's been around as long as twisted pair and coax.
Finally, it's practical to add color to everyday business documents with the Phaser 340 color printer from Tektronix. At 4 color pages per minute and 11 cents per color page, it's remarkable how easy it is to print memos and reports, proposals and overheads in vivid, photo-like color. It's robust and reliable, and everyone can use it, from PCs and Macs to workstations and mainframes. The Phaser 340 is the practical solution for spreading color across the enterprise.